Римская архитектура. Улсlar Бошусас, Монгол улс онцлог бүрийн хэлцсэн. Тэгэхээр бидний гişто бойко эзэмших зөвчгээ хандуулахаар хүрэлцэн ирснийг тань айлтгая.
Present to you letters of credence in which Polish President, His Excellency Andrzej Duda, accredited me as an ambassador extraordinary to plenipotentiary to Mongolia. When I was student in 1987, I visited Mongolia for the first time. Driving from Moscow over Mongolia to the Ulaanbaatar, I know that Mongolia is a wonderful, very nice, very existing country. And Mongolian people living